Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys. And today guys I am going to show you guys Samsung phone accessibility setting and video title guys, what is color inversion and how to use it on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to own color inversion on your Samsung phone, so how to own and use color inversion. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on color inversion. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on Samsung phone accessibility setting. After on friends accessibility setting, friends you can see talkback. Friends, you want to use talkback on your device, so friends you can on talkback from here. Friends, you want to use visibility setting, so friends click on visibility. And friends you can see visibility, friends you can see high contrast theme. Friends, you want to on, so you can set from here and you can use it. So once you will have to own your Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi network and your mobile network. Once high content phones once you want to own, so you can on from here. Once you can see color inversion, click here and fence on. After on fence, automatic dark theme will on your device and fence come back. And fence if you watch any videos and photos on your device. First friends I will on Wi-Fi network. I will connect Wi-Fi network. Then friends we will use YouTube app. So friends, first we will connect Wi-Fi network, and friends you have mobile data, so friends direct you can on your mobile network setting. And friends now we will click on YouTube app. As you can see when I will on YouTube app, and friends you can see a screen will show this interface on my phone. So like that friends we can use color inversion after on it. And guys when you will on guys your phone gallery, so friends click on your phone gallery, photos. As you can see photo will show like that on our Samsung phone device. So like that friends we can on, and friends we can use color inversion on Samsung phone device guys. And friends you don't want to use, so friends you can off from your phone setting guys, click on phone setting again. And friends you can see this type interface again. Friends click on your accessibility, and friends click on visibility, color inversion, and we will off. After a friends automatic or dark theme will off on your device. And friends you can use your YouTube app. As you can see we can use our YouTube app without any screen color. So like that friends we can on and use color inversion setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.